Welcome to this guided meditation to heal your Sacral Chakra. Sacral Chakra is all about creativity, joy, passion, and pleasure. And today we are going to go through this meditation to heal, transform, and support the expression of Sacral Chakra. So sit comfortably, close your eyes, take few deep breaths, and take your focus to top of your head. Relax your head, relax all the facial muscles. Let this wave of relaxation trickle down to your neck, to your shoulders. Relax your chest, abdomen. Relax your back. Let go of any stress through your thighs, knee, and let go of any stress through your toes. Let this wave of relaxation bathe you from head to toes, and feel this deep sense of relaxation. And now take yourself to a nature scene that is relaxing for you. See all the vivid colors. Feel the plants, trees, sand, floor, anything that's in your nature scene. Smell, hear any sounds there. And as you're feeling totally relaxed in your nature scene, to support you to get into this relaxed alpha state of mind. So I'll take you through the countdown of 10 to get you deeper into this relaxed state. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now you take your focus to your Sacral Chakra, which is located on your spine, just below the navel. It is an orange color energy center. So visualize this bright ball of orange light, this spinning wheel, which is vibrating with this beautiful light. Sacral Chakra controls the water element, and water is where we store all our emotions. So with this guided meditation, we are going to work on healing the Sacral Chakra, which is also called Swadhisthana Chakra in Sanskrit. And we are going to go through some chanting to purify the Sacral Chakra, to release all the emotions, specifically guilt, shame, jealousy, regrets that could be suppressed in this Sacral Chakra, which could be diluting the joy, pleasure, and creativity of your life. So this chanting and this sound frequency of the chant would help purify, release all the emotional blocks from the Sacral Chakra enhance your creativity, your passion, and your emotions. So mentally chant this while you're focusing on your sacral chakra. Vam. 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 Feel this vibration in the sacral chakra, this bright, vibrant orange color, and this deep sense of relaxation. Water element that represents joy and pleasure. Feel this deep sense of relaxation and neutralizing all the emotions. And now we are going to go through some affirmations to empower your sacral chakra into its full potential of creativity, joy, passion, and acceptance. You can listen and repeat these affirmations mentally while you're focusing on your sacral chakra. I am creative, passionate, and full of life. I embrace pleasure, joy, and abundance in all forms. I release guilt and welcome self-acceptance. I am free from guilt, shame, and regret. I am free from past emotional pain and open to new experiences. I am centered, grounded, and emotionally secure. forgive myself completely and release all guilt. I honor and respect my body as it is right now. I accept my body unconditionally. I am whole, complete, and at peace with my past. And as you take a few more deep breaths to integrate all these affirmations and healing of your sacral chakra, see this bright orange light that is becoming vivid and expanding and spreading through your spinal cord, throughout the body, all the way to the head. And transforming all the water molecules, neutralizing all the emotional charges that are stored in the water molecules in the connective tissues. So this deep sense of emotional release, self-acceptance, and creativity that is expanding to each and every cell of your body. Sense this harmony, this joy, pleasure, and free flow of creativity expanding throughout your body and mind. And feeling totally calm, relaxed. We are going to end this meditation with a count of 3 to help you integrate it. 1, 2, and 3. And slowly move your hands and toes and open your eyes. Thank you for joining me in this meditation for healing your sacral chakra. Have a blessed day.